how you can log into your Snapchat on your PC. Hey guys, in today's video we will be talking about how you can log into your Snapchat on your PC. If your mobile is broken and you cannot send the streaks, you don't have to worry, you have your PCs in your bag. So what you have to do is just come onto your Chrome. You have to type in snapchat.com like I have typed in, and this is the web page that Snapchat has. So you can see here right now. What you have to do here is just click on this point, log into chat. When you have clicked here, Snapchat will direct you on the page. They will be asking you about the username and your password. After typing in your username and password, what you have, this is what the Snapchat will show you. So this is the Snapchat PC view, which is totally nice, I must say. It's not like the mobile version, because this is showing me the OBS right now, because so this is cool, I must say that. It also shows you some effects you can see here, and this it is also showing me the chats and all the thing. So yeah guys, this is super cool and super nice, and I must say, if you want, you can go here and you can have it. So right, okay, this is so I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, so yeah, please, you know what to do. You have to just subscribe to our channel, like this video, and just you know press that bell icon, so you can have all the information and all the data and all the social media accounts like Snapchat, Instagram, and all the social media applications that you are using. You can get all the updates on our channel. So yeah guys, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, that's it. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.